Hello there, my name is Oscar Castillo, and today I'm going to cook a ham and cheese omelet. The ingredients that we're going to use are turkey ham, we have already cut it, 2 slices of cheese, an egg or 2, depending on how you like it, olive oil, salt and pepper, we're not going to use it because it's optional, and milk. Then our utensils are going to be a bowl, a plate to hold the food in after we've cooked it, a lighter to light the fire of the stove, a spatula to flip the omelette in, a kitchen knife to cut the ham, a fork to both hold the ham and to eat the omelette, and another plate to cut the ham in. The first thing we're going to do is cut the ham. We've already cut it. Then we're going to grab our bowl and an egg, and then we're going to slowly crack the egg. And then we're gonna finish cracking it on the bowl. Try to not leave any eggshells in there. Then after that, we're gonna grab our milk and we're gonna pour some of it slightly into our bowl. Then we're gonna grab our fork and we're gonna mix it. You do not have to mix it very hard, because if not, then the mixture will fall. After you put the egg on the frying pan, there's also, so that you don't have to flip the omelette, you can cover the pan so that it also cooks the upper zone of the omelette. And that way you don't have to flip it. Now we're gonna wait.
One eternity later.
Now we're gonna grab our spatula and flip our egg. We're gonna do this. Got a spatula over here. And grab it down. The other side. Ooh. It's really cooked. That's what you wanna get. It really cooked surface. Now we're gonna wait. Okay, now while we do that, we're also gonna unpack our cheese. So we have it ready. Then we're gonna put both of this regular cheese over here, so that it also melts and we get a really nice melted cheese. Then, after the cheese, we're going to put the ham. And after the ham, we're going to grab our spatula and then carefully do this. After you do this, you want to turn off the stove. Then grab your newly made omelet. And then after that, put it. Here we have it, a nice omelet. You may also put some ketchup or any other thing you may want. And it may also taste nice. And here is how to make an omelet.